In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. You got a marriage proposal. You got a marriage proposal. Sentence number 2. It will rain today. It will rain today. Sentence number 3. He was an oppressor. He was an oppressor. Sentence number 4. I am a wage earner. I am a wage earner. Sentence number 5. Must wear a mask. Must wear a mask. Sentence number 6. I will tell you by tomorrow. I will tell you by tomorrow.